Hello parents, how are you? I am Puja. Welcome to my channel Puja Mathematics Academy. Today I will teach your kids grade 4 mental math worksheet 6. So you must watch this video until the end. And if you like this video, please share this video and do subscribe to my channel. And if you have not seen my previous videos on mental maths, please check the description box. So let's start. At first, work out 0.7 plus 0.8. So 0.7 plus 0.8. Here 8 plus 7, 15. So here 5 and here carry 1. So 1.5. So 1.5 is the answer. Number 2, write the Roman numerals X, X, V, I in figures. It is 37. Next, number 3, which of these fractions is equivalent to a half? Here 3 by 6. Since if we simplify 3 by 6, we get half. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 3 by 6 is the answer. Number 4, 42 divided by 6. So we know 6 is equal to 3 into 2. So we at first divide 42 by 2, that is 21. Then 21 by 3. This is 7. So 42 divided by 6 is equal to 7. Number 5, write down the number 18,207. 18,207. Okay. Number 6, fill in the missing numbers. 4081 is equal to 4001 plus dash. So here we have to subtract 4081 minus 4001. So here 0 and here 8. So 80 is the answer. Number 7, write down two numbers with a sum of 9 and a difference of 1. So at first we have to add the sum and the difference of two numbers. So 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Then we have to divide 10 by 2. Here 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So 5 is one of these numbers and the other number is 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So the numbers are 5 and 4. Clear? Number 8, how many vertices in a triangular pyramid? Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 vertices. Okay. Then number 9, write all down the factors of 15. 15 is equal to 1 into 15, 3 into 5. So 1, 3, 5, 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. Number 10, add together 6 and half, 5 and 3 and half. So half plus half is equal to 1 and 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Then 11 plus 3 is equal to 14. Then 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. So 15 is the answer. Clear? Number 11, I have $10. I spent $2.7. How much do I have left? So we have to subtract $10 minus 2.70 is equal to dollar, here 0.1030, here 7. So 7.30, $7.30 is the answer. Clear? Number 12, what is the value of x plus 7 when x is equal to 3? So when x is equal to 3, x plus 7 is equal to 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. So 10 is the required answer. Number 13, what is 1/3 of 21? So 21 into 1/3. Then 3 7s are 21. So 7 is the answer. Number 14, a plane journey takes 6.5 hours. If I set off at 8:40 a.m., what time will I arrive? 6.5 hours means 6 hours and 30 minutes. So we have to add 6.5 hours with 8:40 a.m. So 8:40 plus 6.5 hours. 8:40, 6 and 6 hours 30 minutes. So here 70, the sum is 70. So 70 minus 60, 10. 10 means, and here 1 carry. So 14 and 15. 15 means 12. 15 minus 12, 3. 3:10 p.m. So the time is 3:10 p.m. Okay. Number 15, a pen cost $4.60. How much will 2 pen cost? $4.60 into 2. 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 12, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9. $9.20 is the answer. Number 16, a piece of rope measuring 4 meters is cut into 8 equal lengths. How long will each piece be? So 4 meter by 8 is equal to half meter, is equal to half into 100 centimeter, 50 centimeter. So each piece will be 50 centimeter. So if you like this video, please share this video and do subscribe to my channel.